Yeah, this is our bedroom and it is clean. It's clean. So it's the entrance here. And what is that? And where are you taking this? This is for the bed.
We are taking a photo of it.
You want to take a photo of it? No. I just want to take a tour of the room. And this is the wardrobe. And wardrobe is quite big. It's a big wardrobe. You see? It's a big one. And it is so spacious. You can put your clothes inside there. In the lockers. Your bags there. And then we have more storage up.
My bag it is there.
Yeah, your bag also is there. More lockers up here. And I don't think there's anything up here. Then, makeup station here. I didn't put mine here. I'm not using makeup right now because the coast is so hot. It is so hot. And then we have another thing here. What is this? Come here, Olivia. I want to show people this. A lot of storage. A lot of what? A lot of storage.
Mom,
Yes? And then we have a fan. The fan is here so that we don't...
have a many fun.
A fan, that fan is for what? To give us cool air. And we have a window there. It's at night. We have a small window.
We have another.
And a big one here. And a balcony outside. You want to go outside right now?
Huh?
You want to go outside right now?
I want to check out outside.
You want to check outside? No. Yeah, the room is so beautiful. The tiles are so clean, so smooth, and it feels like home away from home. Don't you feel like home away from home? It is like home away from? Say home away from home.
Home away from home.
Are you feeling at home? Are you feeling at home? This is a beach house. The beach house is what? Is cool. And here is a toilet. The toilet is here. And we have water. You see? We have water. A big window for fresh air. Big sink. That's my... A big shower. Yeah, a big shower. And big soap.
And small soap.
And we have a place to hang towels there.
Towels.
Yeah, that is for hanging towels and ponchos. And this also, that one is just for towel.
This is
panties.
for daddy.
That is for daddy's party. Olivia, you are funny. You're funny.
If it is dirty,
We clean with this. And this is for... we have some... we have this. Very nice. A very nice room. Do you love it? I love it.
I love it so much.
You also love it so much? Yeah. Do you have water in that? Yes? I think you have to switch it on there. Yeah, it's working. I'll switch off the water from there. So from the door, that's how you walk out to the balcony, and this is the view from the bedroom balcony. Just look how beautiful it is. That is the ocean, and as you can see, the sun is rising there, and that is the ocean. These are the other beach houses there. We put this to the fridge. Carry that one, and this one we go. Let's go to the kitchen and show people our kitchen. Is it ours?
All of it is for us.
It is for us. It is for everyone. Okay, let me come and see the kitchen for everyone.
And the fridge.
Okay, let me see.
It is.
Yeah, I put them here. Just put it here. Yes, it stays there. And it's a big fridge.
Photo for juice.
Your mixed berry juice. Okay, put it there. Berries. We don't have anything in this fridge. We only have those yogurts.
And the other side. Come here, take a photo.
I take a video or a photo.
Take a photo.
You want me to take a photo? I'll come here. Let me finish here first. Where do you want to go? To go to the toilet? Yeah, just go. So there is a fridge. And then we have a microwave.
Microwave for warming something.
What do you want to warm?
Check out.
There's nothing in there. So we should not switch it on, right? Yes.
Every picture, take a photo.
You want me to take a photo of every part?
And 3, 2, 1, 0.
Bang. So where do you want me to take another photo?
There.
This is the washing area.
Even there's a cooker.
There is a cooker. No, don't go there.
This is for bedroom.
It's for another person's bedroom. Don't go there, right? And this is a place to hang clothes. You've seen your friend.
Yes, Olivia. How are you?
This is the sitting room. As you can see, it is very beautiful. Look at those curtains and the colors of these sofas. They're so beautiful. As you can see, the sitting area is here, is large to accommodate a large family. We are here as a group, and so this sitting room is enough for us. This is the house's balcony, and I love the seats. Just look at how they are. They are so comfortable. That is the table. It's at night, guys, as you can see, and I'll show you how it looks in the morning. This place, this is the suburb at night. It looks like this. It's a beach house, and beyond this house in front of us there is the ocean. I'll show you that early in the morning. Right now I can't because it's dark. It is early in the morning, 7 a.m., and this is the view you get from this house. As you can see, this view is quite good. It's a beautiful, beautiful view. You can come here and relax and have a good time.